Represented by Sonia Sampson, welcome to 33 Alexis Way, a beautiful 3-bedroom condominium townhome situated within the upscale Williamsburg community of West Whitby. A well-maintained home with an attached single-car garage. Through the entry door is a tiled reception hall, which has a coat closet off the foyer entrance, a powder room, and access to an unfinished lower level, which has potential for a nicely sized family recreational area, while also featuring a laundry area with front-load washer and dryer, as well as crawl space storage. A set of stairs with the classic finish of a dark-stained hardwood handrail and treads with white risers leads up to the main level principal rooms, which have a wonderful open-concept design offering ample family and entertaining space. Finished with the elegance of dark laminate flooring set against a soft neutral color palette, the very generously sized living room is warmed by bright light streaming through both its south-facing window and the sliding door walkout, which opens onto a stone patio in the backyard. Ceramic flooring finishes the kitchen and dining room, while California shutters on the north-facing window in the dining area allows for both light control and privacy. For added brightness, pendant lights hang above the bridge space between the kitchen and dining room, which also features the convenience of a large wall pantry to complement the kitchen's cabinetry storage. Along the shared wall for these two distinct spaces are 3 large cutouts, which opens them to the reception hall and foyer below, as well as allowing the ambient light of 2 modern chandeliers suspended from the hallway's cathedral ceiling to spill into the rooms. The kitchen's functional design showcases the beauty of a mosaic tiled backsplash as well as stone counters, and for modern sleekness, a stainless steel French door fridge with bottom-mount freezer, an oven with smooth surface cooktop, a built-in dishwasher, and a double undermount sink with gooseneck faucet complete this gorgeous workspace. The staircase to the upper level and the railings also showcase the classic finish of dark-stained hardwood with white accents, with this level finished with dark laminate flooring throughout, having 3 bright bedrooms and 2 washrooms, as well as a large linen closet just off the staircase landing. The second and third bedrooms both feature very spacious double closets and good-sized north-facing windows, while the second bedroom additionally features a wall nook that is perfect as a study or sitting area, with these bedrooms sharing the 4-piece common-use washroom, which has a ceramic tiled floor and bath area. A double-door entry opens into the sun-washed south-facing master bedroom, which has the added illumination of a lovely globe flush-mount crystal light fixture, as do the other 2 bedrooms. The ensuite washroom features ceramic flooring and a shower area with glass wall and sliding door, as well as upgraded wall tiles. And to complete this beautiful and bright personal space is a walk-in closet with organizers. A short walk to highly rated Jack Miner Public School, Whitby Park, public transit, and a neighborhood shopping plaza. This home is also close to highly rated public and Catholic schools, restaurants, the Smart Centers Whitby Northeast and Taunton Gardens shopping malls, sports, recreational, and medical facilities, as well as being just a short drive to the GO station and for access to highways 401 and the 407. For a private viewing of this fine home, or for further information about Whitby and its wonderful neighborhoods, contact Sonia Sampson at 905-427-6522 or email realestate@soniasampson.com.